Welcome to my channel. I'm Shadow Scout Swede. I want to say welcome to my new supporters. You're very welcome. And I want to say welcome to my returning supporters. You're also very welcome. Today's topic is natural products. And the first natural product is this. This is resin ointment, spruce resin ointments to be more correct, and it looks like this. And it smells really good. This is very useful. This is an old natural remedy, and here in Sweden we have used it for centuries. And you use this to heal dry skin, cracked or itchy skin, smaller wounds, blisters, and other similar problems. So I recommend to get this, and I will put a link in my description box on where you can get this, and I suggest you buy it because it's very useful. And the other one is lanolin ointment. It looks like this, and this is also useful. And I never seen this before, but it smells good, and it's similar color to the spruce resin ointment. And lanolin ointment has a mild scent of Swedish or Nordic summer, which is really nice. And this lanolin ointment protects and preserves and keep your skin soft and smooth. Okay, so I suggest you get one of these as well. This is a smaller can. These are only, I believe it's 15 milliliter or so. I don't remember it, but I believe it was 15 milliliter. But I suggest you buy these. These are awesome to have at home. And these two goes into my preps. So you will find lanolin ointment on the same site. I will as you find the spruce resin ointment. So I will put that link to that website in my description box, and check it out. And I find the site and that site that is on English, so you don't have to worry about the Swedish language. So guys, I have to jump off now. I have stuff to do, and it's good to be back home again, which is nice. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to ring that bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And if you want to make a donation, you can do that on my PayPal account, and that will also be in the description box. And thanks for watching, guys, and the support, and I will see you in the next one. Shadow Scout Swede, out.